In this video, we are going to study another application of Bernoulli's equation, which is orifice meter. So, orifice meter is a device which is used for measuring the rate of flow of a fluid through a pipe. It is cheaper as compared to Venturi meter, and it also works on the principle of Bernoulli's equation. This is the diagram which depicts the orifice meter. Okay, so the black one shows us the pipe, while this red line indicates the orifice meter, whose diameter is 0.5 times the actual diameter of the pipe, and this is the differential manometer which is connected, and this H is the differential manometric head. Okay, so starting with its derivation, applying Bernoulli's equation at the section 1 and section 2, equation at section 1 and 2, we get P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1 is equals to P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. Okay, here HL is not added as we are considering it as a case of an ideal fluid. So, rewriting this equation as P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus P2 by rho g plus Z2 is equals to V2 square by 2g minus V1 square by 2g. Okay, but this P1 by rho g plus Z1 minus P2 by rho g plus Z2 is equals to differential head H. So, it is V2 square by 2g minus V1 square by 2g. Taking this with the h, so 2gh is equals to V2 square minus V1 square. Taking root from here, we will get V2 minus V1 is equals to taking this V1 square on this side, we will get V2 is equals to under root of 2gh plus V1 square. Okay, and that comes from this equation, making the subject V2 and taking its root on this, we will get under root of 2gh plus V1 square. Now, from figure, if you can see, section 2 is at vena contracta. Okay, so vena contracta is a place where the diameter of the outcoming fluid is minimum. Okay, so we can define vena contracta is a place where diameter of outcoming fluid is minimum. So, here in this case, vena contracta is at section 2 and it represents the area is equals to A2. Okay, so the area A2 is at vena contracta, and we know that where Cc is the coefficient of contraction, where A2 represents the area at vena contracta to the area of orifice, which is denoted by A0, where Cc is the coefficient of contraction. Therefore, area at vena contracta would be A0 into Cc, and again by continuity equation we have A1 V1 is equals to A2 V2, or we can say that V1 is equals to A2 upon A1 into V2, or in place of A2 here we can write A0 into Cc upon A1 into V2. Okay, so in place of this A2 we wrote this value, so that will be equals to A0 into Cc upon A1 into V2. Now substituting value of this V1 in the first equation, that is the equation of V2, we will get V2 is equals to, substituting value of V1 is equals to A0 Cc upon A1 into V2 over here, we will get under root of 2gh plus A0 square Cc square V2 square upon A1 square. Okay, and again rewriting this equation, we will get V2 square is equals to 2gh plus A0 square upon A1, A0 upon A1 whole square Cc square into V2 square. So here we took the ratio of A0 upon A1, took it over whole square into Cc square into V2 square, or this equation can also be written as V2 square 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square Cc square is equals to 2gh. Okay, what we did from this equation, we took the V2 square common, V2 square on one side, and 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole Cc square is equals to 2gh. So we took V2 square common from this equation and from here, and we rewrite the equation as this. So now V2 is equals to under root of 2gh, taking square on this side, we will get under root of 2gh upon under root of 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square into Cc square. Okay, now the equation of discharge Q is equals to A2 V2 is equals to, instead of A2 we will write A0 Cc into V2. Okay, and we will get A0 Cc into under root of 2gh. So instead of V2 we substitute this value. Okay, so here instead of V2 we substitute this value. So A0 Cc under root of 2gh upon under root of 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square into Cc square. So that is the value of discharge Q. Now on simplifying above equation, we will get coefficient of discharge is equals to Cc 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square upon under root of 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square into Cc square. Therefore, Cc is equals to Cd under root of 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square Cc square upon under root of 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square. And substituting the value of this coefficient of contraction in the equation of discharge, that is equation number 2, substituting value of coefficient of Cc over here in this equation of discharge, we will get we will get Q is equals to A0 into CD 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square CC square upon 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square into 2GH, under root of 2GH upon 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square into CC square. So that would be equal to CD A0 under root of 2GH, because this and this term would be cut out. Okay, so these two terms will be cut out. So CD A0 under root of 2GH upon under root of 1 minus A0 upon A1 whole square is equals to CD A0 A1 under root of 2GH upon under root of A1 square minus A0 square. And CD is the coefficient of discharge for orifice meter whose value generally lies between 0.67 to 0.69. So this is the value of coefficient of discharge, and this is the equation of discharge for orifice meter. Thank you.